Welcome to the third episode of this Python tutorial series. In this video, we will create a hello world program in Python programming language and run it. So in our previous video, we have installed Python and set up Visual Studio Code. For our ongoing tutorial, as tool we need the terminal and Visual Studio Code. So let's begin. Let's open the Visual Studio Code. First we create a folder. Okay, so let me create a new folder. Let me name it tutorial 02. Okay, so I will open this folder in Visual Studio Code. Cut this, Command O for opening. I will go to tutorials and open this. Open. So I have opened this folder. This is tutorial 002. Let's create a file inside it. Create new file. Let's name it hello world.py. Press enter. Now we have created a Python file. Okay, so let's create a hello world program. The code for this is print. Just type inside hello world, and that's all. We have successfully created and saved our hello world program. Now let's run it. To run it, in the Visual Studio Code, go to the view and click the terminal. So on the bottom, the terminal, you can see this terminal. Let's bring it to the left. Okay, so type ls and enter. Then you will see ls command is for the listing all the files inside your current folder. So there is inside the current folder, that is helloworld.py, tutorials 02, and the current file is, we have only one file inside that folder, that is helloworld.py. It's showing. Okay, to run this program, go to the terminal. Okay, click on the terminal, type python python space the name of the file hello world.py and press enter. Okay, now you can see the output of this program, that is hello world. So what we have done, we simply create a folder. Inside the folder we create a file, its name is hello world.py. Our code for this program is simply this much: print hello world. To run this program, we open the terminal. In the terminal we typed python, then name of the file, and press enter, and here you can see the output hello world. Code for this hello world is print hello world. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. In the next tutorial we will be discussing what is data types, different data types in Python.